I'm excited for this one. Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade butter. The things that you will need to make this are, yeah, that's proper, 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream, or I mean as much as you have really, and some salt. You also need a food processor, and that's it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to add all of your heavy whipping cream to your food processor. So if you've made whipped cream before, you basically know how this works. So you just want to whip it until it goes to whipped cream, and then you want to keep whipping it some more until it separates. So I will show it on this camera. Move this just a little so I don't hit the camera, because that'd be nice. I'm just gonna mix it. Actually, I'm gonna move this back a little bit so you can see. I'm gonna just use this. See, it's not butter yet. This is not it. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. See, it's starting to look curdled, I guess, but you want that. You want to make sure it separates. It's starting to separate. I'm gonna move this back, slide that back, this here. I just got a splash, so we're gonna turn that off. As you can see, awesome, we got it. I'm gonna move this just so I can take the top off. And there's our butter. I know it doesn't look great right now, but this is the buttermilk or whey that I was talking about, and your butter. So, okay, so this is what I'm gonna use for my cheesecloth, quote unquote, and we're just gonna take this off, and I'm going to take the blade out, actually. I'll clean that off in a second. And you just want to dump everything into your cloth. And you just want to grab it on each end, and you want to squeeze all of the way out. See, gives a lot away, and if you didn't know, you could use this as a buttermilk. So I'm actually going to use this to make some buttermilk biscuits, which is going to be delicious with homemade butter. I mean, come on guys. So here it is. There's our butter. Exactly, if it'll focus. There's our butter, and I'm going to put it in a dish now. All right, so this recipe makes about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of butter. When I say recipe, I mean a 16-ounce container of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so it gives you 3/4 a cup of buttermilk, which is more than enough for a buttermilk biscuit recipe. Buttermilk biscuits, but buttermilk biscuit recipe? Is it? It's not plural, no. But yeah, this is our butter. It's delicious. I have made this before. And I really recommend you try it. It's easy, it takes like 5 minutes to make the entire thing, and it's cheaper than buying butter, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper to make your own butter than to buy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will type the recipe out down below if you guys want the recipe, but it's basically just, it's straightforward basically. And remember to subscribe. I'm really pushing for 200 subscribers this month. By the end of this month, I'm hoping to reach 200 subscribers. So that would be awesome. Remember to like, comment, share if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!